Thomas Jefferson University offers an MS in Biopharmaceutical Process Engineering that is ideal for graduates with first degrees in engineering or life sciences. The program is delivered at the Jefferson Institute for Bioprocessing, utilizing a cutting-edge suite of single-use pilot plant-scale laboratory equipment. Our accelerated 12-month, 36-credit program allows you to enter the workforce 1 year prior to those in traditional 2-year MS programs, saving you both time and money. At the Jefferson Institute for Bioprocessing, you'll enjoy the small class size, laboratory-intensive training, industry-focused curriculum, and valuable networking opportunities. Boasting a 100% graduation rate and a 100% job placement rate, the program produces highly qualified and sought-after professionals. Located in the greater Philadelphia area, our students not only benefit from the industry opportunities afforded by one of the largest biopharma clusters in the U.S., but also from the types of social and cultural activities available in a city with such a rich history. For more information about the MS in Biopharmaceutical Process Engineering program, please visit our website,